Hey guys, welcome back. Crickett here with another sticker haul. This one is from Cheerful Planner Girl. It is just a quick haul to let you see the new kit that's coming to the shop. It's absolutely, positively adorable, and I have to show you. And she will be in the next TPC sale, so don't forget to check her out. You're definitely going to want to see it. Go get your carts filled and be ready. She will be 40% off. So, and you can mention my name, Crickett, on notes to seller to get your freebie. So I cannot wait to show you. See, I haven't even got to see it yet. And so let's see it together. As soon as she showed us, y'all, I was like, yes, that's me. I cannot wait to get it. And I will be doing a plan with me really soon with it so you can see it in action as well. So just let's show you this part first. Okay, so this is a full kit. She has now changed and reformatted her kits. She has more to her full kits, and she still does have different sizes, so just to let you know. This kit is right here. This is it says, when you feel overwhelmed, remember who you are and straighten your crown. I absolutely adore it. Look at the face on this bee. So stinking cute. Now this one's for the Erin Condren, so just keep that in mind. So here are your full boxes. She has 8, and then she has like the quarter boxes, and then here are 2 little bee decos as well. Then here are your full honeycomb checklists. I adore them. And then more quarter boxes and sidebar. And the paper feels awesome too, guys. And then she has your washi strips. She gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 of the little washi strips, 1, 2 of the medium size washi strips, and then 2 of the regular size washi strips. How cool is that? That is so awesome. And I love, love, love them. So cute. Oh, I love it. All right, and then you have like 2 asterisk little boxes, and it says be kind right here. Then here is your half boxes, and then she also has a fold away box. So cannot wait to show you that. That is going to be so much fun. And it's perforated, so it shows you where to bend it. So see, this is the whole box. I'm going to try to peel it. So see, you will then fold it like this. And so how cool is that? Very cool. So excited. I cannot wait to use this and show you how to do it. For those that have never used one before. So here's your half boxes. Then you got a honeycomb deco. Some deco here. You've got arrows on this side. Then you have your little mini icons. You have a habit tracker right here. And bill due with paid. Adorable. And then last but not least, in the full part of the kit is your day covers, your washi strips, hello weekend banner, flags, asterisks, and then another like 3 to-do box is what I call them. And then some more deco and be kind to yourself. And then she also put in more glitter headers, which I think are beautiful. And then she has like headers to do today, to buy next week, this week, happy mail, errands, groceries, laundry, cancel, trash day, recycle. So cute. And then she has the hand-drawn numbers, date dots. And that is what comes in this gorgeous, beautiful, adorable kit. I cannot wait to use this. I cannot wait to show it in action. It is absolutely beautiful. You can use my code. Let me show you that. And then you use code CPGPR30 for 30% off. And mention my name, Crickett, and notes to seller, and you will get my freebie. Or again, this will be available also during the TPC sale, and you will get 40% off whenever they give us the code. So check her out. Check out PlannerNina_Crickett on Facebook and on Instagram so I can keep showing you more of the sneak peeks And I hope to see you back here real soon. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, hit that bell, and I will catch you later. Be safe.